All right, welcome back to the channel for another video. I hope you guys are doing great. Now, man, I'm happy that I'm technically done with this engine. Yeah, I'm done technically, but now I just need to replace the motor mount and the transmission mount, and then we'll do a transmission join and fill, and then we'll be good. But for now, in today's video, I'm going to replace not replace, I'm going to take the subwoofer off and repair it. If you guys watched the video when I did the door panels, I replaced all of the Levinson speakers. Now I'm gonna repair the subwoofer. Now the worst thing is I didn't know that you could repair this speaker, so I found two of them at the junkyard, and I had to buy two of them on eBay, and then the old one I threw them away. Now that I know that you could repair these, I'm like, damn, I should have kept them and do something with them. Now to get to the subwoofer, we have to remove this panel right here. Now to remove it, you have to remove the seat, which I have a video on that. You can check them out. And then there's a button underneath of here, underneath of there, and down there. This size is a 12 mil. You have to remove, and then you have to remove these panels right here. There's one here and there's one over there, and we can get to the subwoofer. Now when you have to replace this subwoofer, you see this right here, don't pull that up. This is designed to just stay there. If you ever have to do subwoofer, you have to remove this panel. If you pop this off, the clips, they're not removable, so if you break them, you can install this back. Maybe you can use some Gorilla Glue, but once you pop this off, it's done. They designed them to remove the whole panel to get to the subwoofer. All right, let's get started. And there's a clip right here you need to be careful for. It's right underneath of here. Try not to break it. Just like that. And now you can kind of pull this towards you like this. And to completely get the seat belts out of the way, you kind of have to pop this like this, and that way you can pass them through here, just like that. And you do this same thing for here and there. So for this seat belt right here in the middle, it is easier to remove, but this one can go to this right here in the panel. So what you do, you just pop this in, and then this is the seat belt bracket. So there's a little clip right here. You push that. While you push it in, you kind of lift at the same time, just like that. As you can see, this one pop out, and you'll do the same thing for here. You push that clip in and you press, and as you can see, this one out as well. And now you can slowly remove the seat belt out of that bracket, just like that. This is off, and now you can pass this through in here like this, and now that whole thing is off. And now that I'm here, I can go ahead and remove the subwoofer so I can repair it. As you can see, this is what it looks like. This thing is technically done. To remove the subwoofer, there's a bolt right here, there's another one here, there, and here as well. So there are a total of 4 bolts, and the size is a 10 mil. Once you remove these 4 bolts, there's the connector right here. You can disconnect it and lift that thing up. And just like that, this is our subs. We are going to repair it and start it back. So this is our subwoofer, the Mark Levinson. As you can see here, this isn't good at all, and it's technically done. So what I'm going to do now is clean the whole thing, but first I have to remove this bracket right here, just like that. I'll put this aside. Now you clean all around here in this tab as well, and then this is one of the speakers that I'm going to repair. As you can see, this is what happens to them. Now this is the kit I'm going to repair this with. This is what it looks like. I bought this from eBay, but you can find them from Amazon as well. This is for the speaker, and that's the one for the subwoofer that you are going to replace it with. It also comes with all the tools that you need and the instructions to do so. All right, I'm just going to clean this off camera. I mean, there's nothing here to film. It's just clean all the debris residue from here, and then I'll also clean these on top of that, and then we'll get back and install the new one. So this is where we are in this process. I cleaned this as much as I could. It's fine now, but the only problem is for this area, this is super dry. So I use some alcohol and a Q-tips, and then I just go like this to soften it up a little bit, like this. And then I can use this little knife and kind of go like this, hold it in the bottom and kind of scrape it slowly, so that way you can get all this glue off here, because it's just old and dry. So that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of it until I remove it completely, and then I can install the new form. All right, just like that, I cleaned this as much as I could at the edge here. As you can see here, it's still black, but you can go to this, or else you'll mess the whole thing up. Now what you do is put this like this, make sure it's the right way. You can see there's a little, this little edge goes in here, and then make sure it fits. Now what you do is apply the glue around here, and then turn it around and let it heal. This is the glue and the little brush that it comes with. I'm gonna open this up. Let's do this first like that. And now what you do, you apply it around here. Now you're supposed to turn this around just like that, and make sure it's in the right place. And now what you can do is press here. All right, from now you just I'm just gonna go around and make sure that it sits properly, and then I will let this sit there for 1 hour, and then I'll do this side right here. All right, just like that, 1 hour later, I am going to apply some glue around here and on top of the foam as well, and place this thing back, and then let it sit there for 1 hour, and then install it back on the car. So it is a process. You have to let the glue heal, or else you'll just mess up the whole thing. Just like that, we are all set. Now I have to put this this one has to match here, so this was right here, just like that. So I do have to apply some glue on top of it, and then put this thing back. And now I can go ahead and apply this right here, just like that. All right, we can clip this back, and then we're just gonna let it sit there for 1 hour, and then we'll put it back on the car. Okay, it's about another hour later. I am about to install this back. This is how the subwoofer looks like. As you can see here, a lot better than it was before. This thing is $1,500 from Lexus. Very expensive. So whenever this foam goes out, you can just buy them online, and then replace them and move on. All right, let's put this back on the car, and then we'll be all set. And now we plug this back in just like that. So now let's just put the new panel back. All right, so this is good right here. Now we just install our bolt back. After I put the bolt back, I'll put these panels back, and then we'll be all good. All right, just like that, we are all set here. As you can see here, this looks so much better than that ugly cream or tan, whatever they call it. The black, it just looks so much nicer. So that being said, we are done here. This is how you replace your subwoofer or repair it. You have to remove the seat, remove this panel, and remove the subwoofer, repair it, and or just switch it, and then put your panel back, and then put your seats back, and you'll be all set. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a good afternoon, good night, and I will see you guys in the next one.